everyone, welcome to Creative Union Yoga, a deeply reflective yoga movement practice for every body. It's yoga, but it's not yoga. It's its own little thing. This is video 2 on our feet. So grab your bouncy ball. I mentioned it in the first video of the feet. So go ahead, grab it, place it on the side of your mat, blanket, whatever you're practicing on, and we will get started. So coming on to the hands and knees, and take a moment to just run the top of the feet. Start bringing some blood, some juice to the ankles, top of the feet. Curl the toes under. Maybe spend a bit of time shifting your weight, the weight of the pelvis to the heels. So inhale, center. Exhale, send the pelvis to the heels with the toes curled under. Inhale, off. Exhale, on. If you want to walk the hands a bit closer to the legs as you shift the weight of the pelvis. Good. And then come back to cat. Run the top of the feet. And then sending your right foot or leg directly behind you with the toes curled under, and spend a bit of time rolling along the ball of the foot. Hey, Rusty. Yeah. Again, you can send that heel back, back, back. Inhale away, exhale, send that heel back. Good. And then switch legs on your own time. Send that leg back, rolling along the ball of the foot. Excellent. And then bringing that leg back, again, run the top of the feet. And then have a seat on your buttocks, okay? And from here, let's take a moment to place the weight of the hands, or place the weight into the hands behind you. Run the feet like we did in the first video. Throw that 2-year-old temper tantrum. Yeah, let it out. Good. And then we're going to grab our ball. Surprise. Hidden behind Rusty. I'm just going to go here so you can see it, because Rusty is now hiding my foot. Hopefully this is a good spot. We'll find out later. Oops. And you're going to take your foot, or your ball, and you're going to roll it along the top of the foot. So in the first video, we went under the foot. Now we're going to massage and roll the ball on the top. So getting in between those metatarsals, getting into the ankle. Yeah. Oh man, that feels good. Trust me, you're going to want to try it. And then again, you can kind of roll that ball up and down the leg, the shin, the calf. Yeah. Excellent. And then make sure you switch feet. Rolling that ball again on the top of the foot. So you decide how much pressure you want to put into the ball, or the ball on the foot. Again, get around the whole foot, the ankle. Oh yeah. Oopsies. Good. And then you might want to do a little bit underneath each foot, just a little bit. Whoop. And then switch feet at some point. Take in that nature, all the beautiful sounds of nature. Park sounds. Good. Good. And then we'll leave the ball. We'll come back onto our hands and knees. Run the feet a little more. Curl the toes under. Check in, shifting the weight of the pelvis. You choose which you prefer, or alternate between the two, which is nice. And then you can also take that foot back, and you may start to feel, again, a little more release, some more happy feet. Happy, happy, happy feet. Happy, happy, happy feet. We like happy, 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 happy feet. Great. It's a new song. It's my new single. Good. So then from here you can curl the toes under. If you want to walk the hands up the leg and sit directly on the heels, just to compare to see if anything feels different in the feet now versus when you first started. Good. You don't need to stay there very long. And then come off, run the feet a little more. There's one more little release here that you can try, and that's taking, let's say we take the right foot, place the top of the right foot into the arch of the left foot. Again, send the pelvis towards the heels. You can shift on and off a few times, or you can sit right on it. Whoo, Nelly. Exhale, drop that pelvis into the feet, feet to the ground. And release. Run the feet, curl the toes. Ooh, okay. And then take the left foot and rest the top of the left foot into the arch of the right foot. Again, you can shift in and out. Or come directly on top. So again, breathing into the pelvis, falling into that left foot to the right, right foot to the ground. And then coming off of the foot, again, run the feet, curl the toes under. Again, moving between the two. And if you're someone who practices downward dog, maybe take a little downward dog, just to see how that feels in the feet. Pulse the heels or lift the heels a few times, ground the heels. And there you have it. There is the second video of releasing your feet. So I hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully it wasn't too disruptive with the sounds. But stay tuned for our third video. We're going to do a third video on releasing the feet, which will be in a standing position. So again, yogis, continue to explore your body, your breath, your movement, and we will see you on the mat very, very soon. Think love, speak love, be love. Namaste.